Welcome to check out brand new indoor smart cameras S3E and S3E Pro. Both models feature a 15 degrees adjustable fixed lens and a 355 degrees pan-tilt lens, delivering crystal clear monitoring with 360 degrees protection. Need some privacy? With one tap in the UNIARCH app, physical privacy mode will be activated, and the lens retracts into the housing. The S3E Pro even includes physical action touch, just double-click to open or close the privacy mode. In normal conditions, the camera operates in IR mode, automatically switching to warm light when motion is detected to capture full-color footage with enhanced detail. Powered by UniMind, the S3E can detect humans, while the S3E Pro adds detection for vehicles, pets, and baby crying. With Wi-Fi 6, the S3E Pro offers a stronger, more reliable network connection, even at a distance. And thanks to Tick-On, you can easily set up the camera, even in areas with weak Wi-Fi. It can boost pairing speed by 50%. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more on UNIARCH's latest innovations.